Feeling frustrated with tech troubles? What if there's a simple solution at your fingertips? Welcome to your go-to source for affordable and reliable remote PC repair in South Africa. From software installations to virus removals, our certified technicians have got you covered. Struggling with slow computers? We'll speed things up with our optimization and tune-up services. Need to back up your data? Our cloud and local solutions ensure your information is safe. We offer fast turnaround times, meaning you'll be back to business in no time. And guess what? All of this is done from the comfort of your home. Let's talk about why we're the best choice for your tech support. Safe and secure remote connections mean your data remains private and protected. We proudly support South African homes and businesses, helping you thrive. Ready to solve your tech problems? Our ongoing support packages have you covered day or night. Email us today for more info and let's get your PC running smoothly.